These are the new steps for the tour truck. The collapsible ones were just not going to be stable enough. We were going to get sued. And I've made a few changes to them already. I added some brackets to hook them to the top, and I added these wheels so I can roll it around. Now these need to be relocated down here because where they're rubbing on the truck, it just isn't a good spot. Then we relocated down there. I put those tires on it, and then as you can see, when the steps are in place, none of the weight's on the tires, it's all on those pads. So you wheel it around like a hand truck and then you stand it up. But look at this plate up here, 1/4 inch or better of plate steel all the way across. These are designed to be bolted to a warehouse wall and then have guys run up and down on them. That's far more than we need out of the deal. I'm going to go ahead and try to cut this off very cleanly with the angle grinder and a cutting wheel. We'll see how that goes. And then if I can do it, that ought to take 10 pounds or so out of what I have to lift up and down. I don't know. We'll give it a try. Okay, let's go test it. Okay, stop whining. I'll get to the steel. Oh, damn, I think it's still too heavy.